Seedance 2.5 is out, and this platform allows you to generate it. All right, use it to generate your AI videos. Now you see all these are all Seedance 2.0, Seedance Mini, and Seedance. Now you see up to 30 seconds video. Any Seedance 2.5 that does not give you 30 seconds video, it is not Seedance. Look at it. This is Seedance. Okay, click on it. Now on this platform, you can generate up to 4 videos at a go. Okay, you can generate up to 4 videos, and you can equally get 4K video on this platform. But for the 4K, it is those that is for the pros. Okay, but 720 is free. Okay, now any ratio of your choice, right? On this platform, allows multiple reference, image to video, text to video, and first and last frame. But we will be going for text to video. All right, let's do the text to video. You can do text image to video. It is okay. Now, I will paste my prompts. I have a simple prompt. All right, I have a simple prompt here, and I will be using Seedance 2.5 to generate it. You can generate your videos using Seedance 2.5 on this platform. Okay, now I've clicked on generate. It is generating my video. Okay, it is generating my video already. While it is generating, let me give you a proper tour into this platform. Immediately you log in, you will be asked to sign into their Discord, which you will be given 200 credits immediately you sign in. You are given 200 credits immediately you sign in, and that 200 credits you can actually use to generate your videos. All right. Now, my video is generating already, and it is almost ready. Now, it is done generating. All right. I'll click here and save it. Immediately you click here, it downloads. Okay, it doesn't take time. The video, I will be playing the video at the end of this, so you see the quality, all right, of the video that it generated for me. Okay, so I have saved it. You click on save, you save. All right, once you are done saving it, let me be sure. Yeah, it is saved, properly saved. Now, how can you access this particular platform? All right, now for you to access this, you can access it using your phone, your laptop, whatever device you have that has browser. Just get there and search for Seedance AI. All right, Seedance, this particular one. Okay, once you search for it, you click on this particular one that says Seedance AI free Seedance 2.5 and Seedance 2.0. Yes. Okay, you click on it. Immediately you click on it. Now, this is how it looks when you click on it. You see that? Now, click on generate free video, video free, or start free. Okay, that is what you'll be clicking on, but just take your time and go through the platform so you get to see what. Then you click on. Now, you need to sign in. You need to sign in to Google. Okay, if you have, click on it and it signs into the account that is signed into that. Now here, this is very important. Claim your free credit. Sign up and join our Discord community to claim 200 free credits. You must sign in for you to get that 200 credits. Okay, you click on it. All right, you'll be asked to register. So immediately you're done registering, this is it. You can see here, I have my 200 already. Okay, so that is how you get to this place. And these are all the AI video generators here. And then you start generating your videos. All right. So that is how you access this tool, our free 200. So watch what we generated.